In this video, I'll show you how to fix Resident Evil 4 Remake crashing issues on Windows 11 24H2. Let's fix it, guys. Check my video description for this mod. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. And right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop this DLL file inside the game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Now you can launch the game. The game won't it crash. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.